fold over right on the line. And I've been using the add a quarter ruler, but if you don't have that, you can just take a regular ruler. It has a 1/4 inch line there. Line up the 1/4 inch on your fold and then cut along your ruler edge. And again, don't worry about it if it's not exactly a 1/4 inch, because you already sewed your seam, so you don't have to worry about it. You're not using that edge for a guide. The only thing you're using it for is to know where to place this piece of fabric. And you know, if you have to bring it down some to make sure it's covered, or bring it up a little bit more to make sure it's covered. If you want to test your fabric to see if it's going to cover it all, you can always do a couple pins just along the sew line. Probably don't need it so much on this pattern, but some of the other patterns, if you have an odd shaped triangle or rectangle or whatever, triangles, if they're odd shaped, they can be tricky to get in the right place. So you would fold this over as if you actually had done the sewing already, and then you can see through the light whether it's going to go past your sew line by at least a 1/4 inch. That works perfectly. That gives me plenty of fabric to cover the size of that piece. So let me take these pins out. Getting a little wrinkled there. I'm going to press it real good. So by cutting that 1/4 inch, and then if you line up your next piece, you should be in good shape. But feel free to make adjustments if you need to. Okay, so you're going to sew down this line again. Trim my threads, take my pin out, and I'm going to finger press. Press with the iron and then give it a little bit of water